my car. How is that my fault? You didn't even brake on time.
Have you ever been in a situation like this before and you didn't know what to do? You're not alone, and the truth is, a lot of accidents can be prevented before they ever happen. That's why it's so important to stay on top of your car's maintenance. Make sure your brakes are in top shape, because when it matters most, stopping in time can be the difference between a close call and a crash. And don't forget about oil changes, because clean oil keeps your engine running smooth, and it helps it last as long as possible. Check your tires, your fluids, and your lights, because those small checks, they can prevent big problems down the road. At the end of the day, the best way to handle an emergency is to help prevent it happen in the first place.
From tires to lights, keep it right. Drive safe day and night, fix it right. Check all your engine lights. Car care keeps your future bright.